Hello, this is a question based on geometry, and this question is from IPMET Indore 2024 paper, QA section. Now, what data do we have? Let ABC be a triangle with AB equal to AC, so two sides are equal, and D is a point on the third side, that is BC, such that angle BAD is 30 degree. Then there is another point E on AC, one of the two equal sides, such that AD is equal to AE. So we'll have to first draw a diagram. So first information is AB and AC are equal. So if this point is A, so I can say these two sides AB and AC are equal. From here we can also conclude, because eventually we have to talk about angles. So let us conclude that the angles opposite to these two equal sides will also be equal. So we can assume those two angles to be x. So this much is given in the first line. Now let us move to the next line. D be a point on BC. So let us say D is a point here. So D is a point on BC such that BAD is 30 degree. BAD is 30 degree. If E is a point on AC such that AD is equal to AE. So AD and E is a point here. If E is this point, so AD and AE are equal. So if I join these two, I can say that these two sides are also equal. Right? I have marked them in red so that this red symbol of equal sides is different from this orange symbol of equal sides. So I can say that these two angles will also be equal, right? We'll try to see if these two angles can be written in terms of x. Otherwise, we will take another variable for them, right? So this much is given in this question. Now the question is, what is angle CDE? So this is point E. I will go back to orange color. So this is point E. So we need to find this angle CDE. Okay. So we'll start. The question seems easy. We only have to use the concept that sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Now, if we talk about the largest triangle ABC, we can say in triangle ABC, these two angles are x, this angle is 30. So, what can we say about this angle? How much will that be? So, if this angle is A, I can say angle A can be written in terms of x. So, 30 plus A plus this x plus this x plus 2x, that should be 180. So, A will be 150 minus 2x. So I will simply write 150 minus 2x in place of A. We don't want to carry too many variables, that's why, right? So this angle is 150 minus 2x. Now let us pick this triangle A, D and E. So in triangle ADE, again we know that these two angles are equal. If we assume that these two angles are B, if these two angles are B, so what can be the value of B in terms of x? We don't want to carry too many variables, keep that in mind. So again, we will try to write the value of B in terms of x. So what we can do is, in this triangle ADE, first angle is 150 minus 2x, next angle is B and next angle is B again. So sum of these three angles should be 180 again. So this goes there. So this becomes 2B is equal to 30 plus 2x. Hence B is 15 plus x. So one of these angles is 15 plus x. In fact, both are 15 plus x only. Both are equal. So 15 plus x. So this much is known now. Now we need to find the value of this question mark. Let us say this value is C. So we need to find the value of C eventually. So how do we get to that? Again, we can use a triangle. So what we can do is, we can use triangle A, D and C this time. Triangle A, D, C. There are multiple ways. You can find this value of angle and then use this small triangle. Then also we can find the value of C. But we already know all the angles in this, all the other angles except C. So I think we can use this also. Right? So in triangle ADC, angle A is 150 minus 2x. Angle C is x. Angle C is in two parts, 15 plus x plus this small c. And sum of all the three angles of a triangle is 180. We had to use this property 3 times in this question. Now all the x's will cancel. This is cancelled. So we are only left with C, that is unknown, and other angles are in numbers. So 150 plus 15 is 165. That goes there. So that will be 15. So angle C is 15 degree. So that will be the answer. That should be the answer. Angle C is 15 degree. So answer A.